This is down here.
Yes.
Launch control. Are ready?
Yes. Much better. Release the brake, yes.
Ja, det springer.
It was active?
Yeah, this is.
Okay, yeah.
But there wasn't a lot of drama.
No, it was not. I mean, I was kind of surprised on the first gear. It was kind of... So I'm here at Ascari with the new BMW M5 Competition, which is, I mean, it is top of the line M5, but this is only if you want a more track enabled M5. So this will definitely be better on a track than the regular M5. Somewhat firmer ride, but if you want to track your M5, this is the M5 to get. You see some dark panels here. The wheels are significantly lighter, and you also have the dark panel here, dark diffuser, M5 Competition logo, of course. You have the dark rear view mirrors, dark side gills, dark or black kidneys actually, and this special color. You see M5 Competition. That was beautiful. And these panels are similar as well. Colors on the seatbelts. Bowers and Wilkins. And these have the dark interior theme. Let's have a look at the engine, see if it has the carbon detail. Well, it has some carbon details. These here, these. It's really hot. And it's a complete different launch. It's a smooth launch from first gear, even when launch control enabled, I would say. Frozen dark silver. Filler titan silver. Oh, this is nice. I kind of didn't notice this M5 logo here. And this, if I'm not mistaken, the first M5 to have active cruise control. Okay, we need to, like that. Okay, I like these wheels. $275/35 in front, and I believe $285 in the rear. It's black little lip. Servo opening, of course. foldable rear seat. The luggage kit. Here we have, first aid. I want to open this. Anyway, it's gonna be really fun driving this on the track tomorrow.